Hi, John. Hi, Neil. How's it going? Yeah, it's okay. I'm very happy that today is Friday. I've had such a busy week. Oh, yeah, me too. I'm very happy it's Friday. What do you have planned for this weekend? Hmm, this weekend? I think I'm going to go shopping with my wife and my two kids. Oh, nice. Are you going for anything in particular? Yeah, I need a new t-shirt because next week I'm starting a new hobby. I'm going to be playing tennis with my friend. Ah, that sounds like fun. Yeah, and I promised my two kids that we would go out this weekend and buy a new pet. No, new pet? What type of pet are you going for? Hmm, something easy to look after and something small that can stay in a cage. My wife doesn't like pets much. Ah, how about hamster or a rabbit? Hmm, yeah, they both sound good. Maybe a hamster would be easier to take care of because it is smaller. Yeah, when I was younger, I had many hamsters. I like them a lot. Yeah, I will think about that. We're going to go out on Saturday and we'll buy something then. Okay. Have a nice weekend. You too. Bye bye.